Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is an air fried prosciutto snack. This might be one of my quickest recipes that I'll ever do on my channel. It's just a really easy go-to. Prosciutto, cheese, and that's it. That's literally the only two ingredients that you need. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take some mozzarella. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want, but I would use something that's really good melted. So either brie or mozzarella will do for this. And we are gonna cut it into pieces just like this. We're gonna make 4. I love this go-to little snack if I'm just feeling lazy, feeling something nice and cheesy, crispy in the air fryer, 10 minutes, bing, bam, boom, you're done. This is all we're gonna be doing. Cut your cheese. Then we're gonna take some prosciutto. Bacon also works really well for this, but prosciutto has that nice, salty, thin, crispy texture that you're gonna get. So I like to use prosciutto. You're going to take a slice of the prosciutto. Try to keep it completely intact when you're taking it out of the packaging, or if you get it fresh cut at the butcher, whatever you have access to. I'm gonna carefully take our slice. Take the cheese, put it in the prosciutto, and just wrap it around the cheese. That is literally it. What you could also do if you wanted to, if you had it at home, you could take some sun-dried tomatoes, put it in there, put some pesto in there, whatever you want, but I'm just feeling something really easy, simple. Cheese, prosciutto, nothing else. I'm gonna take another slice of the prosciutto. Carefully take it out, try not to break it because we wanna make sure it completely wraps around the cheese. Otherwise, the cheese is just gonna melt all over the air fryer. Lay down the prosciutto, take your mozzarella or brie, and wrap it around. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Not only is this a really great low-carb snack, but it is also a carnivore-friendly snack. So for all my carnivore crew out there, this is the perfect snack for you. I'm gonna put an air fryer liner into my air fryer tray because I don't wanna get the cheese in the air fryer. I just wanna make sure it doesn't get in there. I'm gonna use these air fryer liners. If you're interested in purchasing these liners, make sure to look at my Amazon links in the description below. If you're also interested in purchasing the air fryer that I use the Tasty air fryer. I have a discount code in the description below. I'm gonna take my prosciutto wrapped mozzarella and we're going to place it in our air fryer tray. They're ready to go into the air fryer. We're gonna air fry at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Our snack is done. Take a look at these. So simple, literally 10 minutes. Fried cheese and prosciutto. Can you go wrong? Carnivore, low carb, delicious, high protein. Can't wait to dig in. Cheers. Exactly as you would imagine. Super delicious, nice and salty from the prosciutto, melty cheese. I mean, you really can't go wrong. This is such a great snack, easy recipe right in your air fryer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.